people that are like-minded, and it gets you really energized to get your gardens going, and you'll get to learn new things.
We love the exhibits, we love the lectures, we like especially the chickens.
I didn't know that the Mother Earth Fair was here in Texas, and that there was a fair for sustainability and all those kinds of things, so I thought it was just incredible.
It's my first time to bring 8 of my friends to it. We're just excited to have a girls' trip and learn a bunch of new stuff.
So I'm looking forward to seeing about chickens, about herbs, about everything there is. I want it all. I'm greedy.
You just have such a great time and meet so many great people.
I love the speakers. I love the camaraderie of being around people that have the same likes as I have.
Well, I'm excited to learn about the herbs and to get some of the books.
And I'm really looking forward to like the herbal sites and the kind of medicinal things.
The new little hacks or what didn't work for somebody, so you don't need to try the same mistakes they did.
Following Mother Earth News online for a long time, getting chickens, we've got a homestead, and we're just trying to build on it.
We've been wanting to come for 10 years.
It's fantastic.
We brought other people with us, we brought our 2 sons and their families, and we're going to have a great time.
This is my first time.
Such a good variety that anybody would have a good time here.
It's been really amazing getting to meet people from the local area and other black farmers from the local area who are here at the fair this weekend, and getting to hear their stories and share stories together, and hopefully getting to tell their stories to the nonprofit as well.
This is my religious retreat. I do it every year. Lots of good information, a whole lot of fun learning it.
It keeps us young.